Hello, here we go again, Saturday. I missed yesterday's video because I was working late. I didn't get home till about 9, so that was last night, but this is today. I'm going to do a Polish coin today, 2016. One zloty, or zloty. I probably pronounced it wrong. But there you go. So for this one, I'm going to use a 7/16 punch. Quite nice. This is going to be sunny side up. Chucking it down in the rain today, yeah. No fan required. Makes a change. Right, let's go over to Big Bertha. Oops, daisy. There you go. That's good. Right. This is a 20-ton hydraulic press. You don't need one of these. You can bang it through with a hammer. But I live in an apartment, so I don't want to upset the neighbours. They're good to me. They put up with an English bloke living in their manor. Right, wires everywhere. If you've recently subscribed, thank you very much. If you're new to the channel, or you just come across it by mistake, wonder what's going on, I turn coins into rings. There's a little red button there. You hit that, you're automatically subscribed. Yeah, a woman on the market gave me 2 of these Polish coins, both different ones, but I quite like that design. That's quite pretty, isn't it? So, you want to clean it up. This is a deburring tool. He's named Christy Burr. I'm not too sure what this coin is made of. I should have checked. So I'm not going to heat it up too much because it seems quite light. I got this foreign coin the other day, tried it. And obviously it's made of aluminium and it just went Bernie, the fire starter. I didn't give it much because I'm not too sure what it's made of, but I'm sure we'll soon find out. Right, so this is going to go face down in the 17-degree folding die. I just dried off. Right, let's go to Big Red. Let's see what he's going to do for us. Get out Conan. Alright, what's this going to do? I don't think it is aluminium, but it's quite a soft metal. That's fully folded. I did want to use my 3/8 punch, but it's going to walk about as usual, most of my stuff. So, you just want to sand this down now, make sure there's no cracks or splits. Otherwise that causes the ring to split. I was just shopping with my girlfriend, come across this. Don't know, I'll get a laugh. It's only 50 cents, so I thought, I'll get it, give it a go. If it works good, I'll go and buy some more. Okay. Yeah, I got this in a place called Lidl. I think you've got them in the UK. Right, let's go over to Spike. Our good friend Spike. Let's take a bit of that zoom off, shall we? Wherever the zoom button went. I don't know. It's here somewhere. I mean, I've got such a clean table, so I mean, I thought I'd see everything everywhere. Right, this is a ring stretcher. And yep, it stretches your ring. I put a bit of kitchen towel between the stretcher and the coin. This just saves losing any of the detail. Give it a quarter of a turn each time. I think my season's just about over. I might get a few days next month. But, I think it's just about over really. Let's give it a bit more. I don't know if I want to stretch this too much. I should have checked what it's made of. Luckily, people have different size fingers. It looks a bit brassish as well. That nearly fits my little finger. What size we got? At the moment, this is just a rough size. UK, you're looking at a size R, just about. EU, 59, US, 19. So, let's give it a bit more burny. Right, the camera, straighten up a bit. Will do. If you want me to make your custom ring, I've got quite a few, load of UK coins, quite a few American, 50% silver, 90% silver. You can even send me your own coin and I'll turn that into a ring for you, film it, and just put it on YouTube for you. You can check out my shop, yourfingermyring.com. Right, let's go to the bottom end of the spike. I think we can change this because they're quite big. These are reduction dies. You want to get that cone shape out of it. There's not much in there though, but yeah, all the rings in my shop, I can adjust the size up and down if you want that particular ring. So check it out. If you like the video, how about hitting the old like button? And did you know this is Sharing Caring Week? So share this video. Some of your friends, see what they think. Is that still on the piss or? Yeah, let's go back a bit. Yeah, this is an aluminium coin. I think it needs a bit more. Just a touch. A touch too much. Oh yeah, that's a bit too much. See, told you. I still think, use my eye, because the camera's a bit deceiving sometimes. Well, to me, by the eye, that looks pretty straight. Yeah, when I put it up to the camera, I know it's zoomed in a lot. It looks... Now, to me, that looks good. So if I think it looks good, it's good. Right. We now want to take out this lip that's on the inside there. Otherwise it's uncomfortable to wear. So out comes Christy Burr for the second time. You've got any suggestions, any comments? Leave them down under the video. I'll answer them all. We've got a special coin. It's got some sentimental value. It's stuck in a drawer. Get it out. Send it to me. I'll turn it into something magical for you. That's pretty good. Right. Let's polish up the inside. Cocktails, anyone? Right. She's a good one. Right. Right, there you go. That's the inside of the ring. You got all the detail. You got the date. So now let's jump onto Kate Bush. Give her a go. She's looking like she was out last night again. Looking a bit ropey, Kate. Sort yourself out. I've got some more Kates, twins. This just gives it a satin finish. If you want them highly polished, I'll do it for you. There you go, folks. I quite like it. It's quite pretty. What size we get in the end? And you always measure from the reeded side of the coin, because that's the thickest part of the coin. UK size, we have a P-ish. US size is a size 7.5, and EU size is a size 56. It doesn't fit my little finger. It nearly fits that finger. So have a great Saturday, and behave yourselves, and I'll see you tomorrow. Toodaloo. Sorry, bye-bye.